Grilled Thai beef salad. Ingredients. For the meat: 1 pound flat iron steak or flank steak, at room temperature. Salt and pepper. For the dressing, yield, 6 tablespoons/3 ounces. 1 lime, juiced, roughly 3 tablespoons juice. 1½ tablespoon fish sauce. 2 teaspoons sugar, palm sugar if you can find it. 1 Thai chili or half jalapeno or Serrano, minced. For the salad: 2 heads romaine lettuce. 1 cucumber, sliced. 2 Roma tomatoes, sliced or half-C cherry tomatoes, halved. Half small red onion, sliced. 1 cup fresh cilantro coarsely chopped. Half cup mint leaves, coarsely chopped. Instructions. Preheat your grill, or skillet, to a high heat. Roughly 450 F. You should be able to hold your hand a few inches from the cooking surface for 3–4 seconds. Sprinkle steak generously with salt and pepper. Grill until your desired doneness is reached. About 5 minutes on each side for medium. Actual cooking time will depend on the thickness of your steak and the heat of your grill. Remove the steak from the grill and let rest for 5–10 minutes before slicing thinly against the grain into bite-sized pieces. While the beef is resting, prepare the dressing by mixing all the dressing ingredients. Arrange the grilled meat on the bed of lettuce and garnish with remaining salad ingredients. Top with the dressing, as desired.